Assalamu alaikum friends, in this video we have YH-L1 Yahoo external display. Friends, this external display connect with any type of Yahoo wing indicator. Friends, as you can see, we connect it with Yahoo wing indicator. We connect with 3 and 9 pins. This is female connector who is connect with 9 number pin with red and 6 number pin with black. This is the connection of current loop. In current loop, when we put any weight on the platform scale, it shows same weight both sides in external display and indicator. Friends, you can see when we connect it, it show same weight 439.1 gram and 2 gram, and both are work on 100 gram.